Today I'm going to show you a really useful trick in CapCut, how to stretch images and videos to change their shape and fit your creative vision. Whether you want to fill an awkward blank space, create an eye-catching effect, or optimize your content for a specific aspect ratio, knowing how to stretch visuals in CapCut can make your edits look polished and professional. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to adjust the proportions of any clip, image, or video with confidence, and it's easier than you might think. So let's jump right in. First, make sure you're working in CapCut for PC. Start by selecting the image or video clip that you want to adjust on your timeline. This is where all your editing happens, and clicking on the clip makes sure CapCut knows exactly what you want to modify. If you're editing a photo or a segment of footage, just click it once. You should see a thin outline around the clip, which is CapCut's way of saying, okay, this one's ready. Next, look up to the top right section of your workspace. This is the panel where most of your powerful editing features live. Here, you'll either see an option called Position and Size, or sometimes it's labeled as Video Basic, depending on your version of CapCut. Clicking this option is like opening the door to custom scaling. It lets you go far beyond just dragging the corners of your image. Why does this matter? Well, using the specialized controls here gives you much more precision and makes it easy to tweak the aspect ratio without accidentally moving your entire clip off screen or distorting it in weird ways. Now here's an important step that's easy to overlook. You'll see a box labeled Uniform Scale. By default, this box is usually checked, which means whenever you change the size of your image or video, CapCut keeps both the width and height in sync, sort of like stretching a rubber band equally both ways. But to actually stretch or compress your visuals in just one direction, you need to uncheck that box. Take a second and make sure you've done this, because otherwise your changes will stick to the original proportions. It's a little like telling CapCut, I'm ready to break the rules and experiment. With the Uniform Scale box unchecked, you'll notice two separate sliders, Scale Width and Scale Height. Let's start with Scale Width. Dragging this slider to the right will stretch your image or video wider, while dragging it to the left compresses it and makes everything skinnier. Try it out, watch how faces, buildings, or shapes change as you play with the slider. This tool is fantastic for filling a landscape layout or getting rid of those annoying black bars on the sides of your video. Then move down to the Scale Height slider. This works in much the same way but affects the vertical proportions. Move the slider right to make things tall and dramatic. Move it left and your clip becomes compressed, almost squished, which can actually be fun for comic effects. As you experiment, notice how stretching vertically or horizontally can completely change the vibe of your content. It's a bit like playing with silly mirrors in a funhouse, but with full control. Take your time with these sliders. If you notice your clip starting to look unnatural or pixelated, dial things back a bit. And don't worry if you make a mistake, CapCut's undo button is always just a quick click away, so feel free to experiment without stress. Once you've stretched your image or video to your liking, hit play to preview your changes. If it fits your needs, awesome, you've just unlocked a new level of editing flexibility. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more empowered to use CapCut for creative effects. If you have any questions, or if you run into a tricky spot, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching and happy editing.